Good morning students. Welcome back. I am Abrar Ahmed. Today we are going to start class 9th physics chapter 6 sound. So this is our last chapter of class 9. So let's start class 9 chapter 6 sound. So our first topic is what is sound. What is sound? You already know what is sound. Basically, sound is the form of mechanical energy. Sound is the form of mechanical energy. Sound is the form of mechanical energy which gives us sensation of hearing. Which gives us sensation of hearing. So there are lots of definition of sound. So in physics, sound is the form of mechanical energy which gives us sensation of hearing. So our next topic is production of sound. So how sound can be produced? So sound is produced only due to vibrating object. So our next topic is production of sound. Production of sound. Sound is produced only due to vibrating object. Vibrating objects. Without vibration, sound cannot be produced. In physics, without vibration, sound cannot be produced because sound is produced only due to vibrating object. So sound is produced only due to vibrating object. Now our next topic is propagation of sound. Propagation means movement of sound. So sound is sound is produced, sound is propagated only due to medium. Without medium, sound cannot be propagated. So our next topic is propagation of sound. Our next topic is propagation of sound. So sound is produced only due to medium. Without medium, sound cannot be travel. In space, sound cannot be travel. In space, sound cannot be propagated. Sound cannot be transferred from one place to another place without medium. Because for transferring of sound, medium is required. Medium is necessary. So without medium, sound cannot be propagated. So sound is propagated due to medium because sound is the mechanical energy. Sound is the mechanical energy, and any mechanical sound is the mechanical energy, mechanical sound. So any sound is the mechanical wave. It is also mechanical wave. So to traveling from one place to another place, mechanical wave required medium. So sound is mechanical wave, and mechanical wave required medium to travel from one place to another place. So without medium, sound cannot be propagated. Here our subtopic is compression and rarefaction. So when sound travel, we know that sound is the form of mechanical energy, and when sound travel from one place to another place, so it move in this form. This is the wave. So this is called compression. This is called compression. This is called rarefaction. This is also called compression. This is also called rarefaction. So here the pressure. This is our pressure or density of sound. So when this is high density, this is low density, this is the average density, or we can say pressure. This is average density, or we can say pressure, and this is the low density, this is the high density, this is the high density, and this is the low density or pressure, and this is the high density or pressure. So when the density or pressure of sound wave is more than the average, then it is called compression, and when the density or pressure of sound wave less than, this is the average, this line is show the average density, and when the density or pressure of the sound less than the average density, so So it is called rarefaction. So compression and rarefaction, it means when sound propagate from one place to another place because vibrating object. So when the vibration is more, then it is called compression. In compression, density of sound and pressure of sound is very much, and in rarefaction, sound density of sound and propagation of sound is low. So this is called compression and rarefaction. Now our next topic is amplitude. This is our amplitude. So we know that this is our sound wave, and sound move in this wave. This is the longitudinal wave. Now the maximum disturbance, this is the maximum disturbance of wave. This is also maximum disturbance. This is also maximum disturbance, and both the disturbance are same. So this maximum disturbance is called amplitude. The maximum disturbance is called amplitude of sound wave. So it is the maximum disturbance on either side. Amplitude is the maximum disturbance of sound on either side of the mean position. This is the mean position, and this is the one side, and this is the second side. So amplitude is the maximum disturbance on either side. This is also amplitude. Now fourth topic is wavelength. So this is the distance between two successive rarefaction, or this is the distance between two successive compression. This is the compression. This is also compression. This is rarefaction. This is compression. So distance between two successive compression, and this is also rarefaction. So distance between two successive rarefaction. So it is the distance between two successive compression or two successive rarefaction is called wavelength of sound. It is denoted by symbol lambda. This is our symbol lambda. This is the lambda. So this is our wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by symbol lambda, and it is the distance between two successive compression and two successive rarefaction. Wavelength is the distance between two successive compression and two successive rarefaction. It is nothing but the distance between. It is the distance to complete one cycle. This is one cycle. So it is also called this is also called wavelength. This distance is also called wavelength. So our next topic is time period. Time period is the time taken by the wave to complete one cycle. Time period is the time taken by the wave. Time taken to complete. Time period is the time taken to complete the one cycle of the wave. So it is the time taken by the wave to complete the one cycle. This is the one cycle. This is also one cycle. And when we start from this point and end to this point, this is also called one cycle. So time period is the time taken by the wave to complete its one cycle. Now our next topic is frequency. Frequency is the number of cycle. Frequency is the number of cycle completed in 1 second. Completed in 1 second. Frequency is the number of cycle completed in 1 second. For example, in 1 second we are completing 10 cycle, so our frequency is 10. For 1 second, in 1 second we will completing 1000 cycle, so our frequency of sound is 1000. So frequency is the number of cycle completed in 1 second is called frequency. Now our next topic is speed of sound in different medium. You know that speed of sound is very low. It is approximately 300 to 400 meter. 300 to 400 meter in air. So speed of sound is different in different types of medium. Speed of sound is different in different types of medium. So maximum speed of sound, the maximum speed of sound is different in different mediums. So maximum speed of sound in solid, average speed of sound in liquid, minimum speed of sound in gas. So the speed of sound is maximum in solid. The speed of sound is maximum in solid and speed of sound is minimum in gas. So approximately in metals or solid, the speed of sound is 1000 to 5000 meter per second. We can say 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer. And speed of sound in liquid is approximately 500 to 1000 meter per second. Speed of sound in gas approximately 200 meter per second to 500 meter per second. But in hydrogen gas it becomes maximum. In hydrogen gas it becomes maximum. So you have to remember the speed of sound. You do not need to write this data because speed of sound is maximum in solid and minimum in gas, and it is average in speed. You have to remember only the speed of sound in air, and it is approximately 332 meter per second. So it vary with temperature and pressure. With increase in temperature, the speed of sound is also increased. So in summer day the speed of sound becomes more, and in winter day the speed of sound becomes less. So speed of sound is different in different types of medium. It is maximum in solid and it is minimum in gas and average in liquid. Now our last topic is sonic boom. So sonic boom is nothing but the shock waves. It is very supersonic wave. Supersonic wave. So when we hear any louded sound shockily, instantaneously, surprisingly, so it is called sonic boom. So sonic boom is nothing but the shock wave. It is nothing but the shock wave. It is very fast wave. So here this chapter is finished. In this chapter we have to understand what is sound. Sound is nothing but the form of energy. It is the form of mechanical energy. Propagation of sound is production of sound. So sound is produced only due to vibrating object. Propagation of sound propagate only due to medium. Without medium sound cannot be propagated. Compression, where the density and pressure of the sound is more, then it is called compression. Rarefaction, where the density and pressure of the sound is less, then it is called rarefaction. Amplitude, it is the maximum disturbance on either side of the wave. Wavelength, it is the distance between two successive compression or between two successive rarefaction. Time period is nothing but the time taken to complete. It is the time taken by the wave to complete one cycle of the wave. Frequency is the number of cycle completing in 1 second. Speed of sound in different medium. So sound has maximum speed in solid and minimum speed in gas and average speed in liquid. Sonic boom is nothing but the shock wave, surprise wave. It is very high supersonic wave. So I hope you are understanding. Thanks for watching.